The river Ganga is a symbolic and religious importance to India. The Ganga is the river of India, beloved of her people, round which are intertwined her memories, her hopes and fear, her song of triumph, her victories, her defeats. She has been a symbol of India's age-long culture and civilization. Ganga River begins at the confluence of Bhagirathi and Alaknanda rivers in the town of Deoprayag in Uttarakhand. Although Alaknanda is longer and bigger than Bhagirathi, Bhagirathi is considered as Ganga River in mythology. Bhagirathi River originates from Gangotri Glacier at Gomukh in Uttarkasi district. Before emerging as a river Ganga, it merges with several smaller rivers known as Panchprayag in Uttarakhand. The Ganga is one of the largest rivers in India with a length of 2,525 km. The main stream of Ganga River is formed by confluence of Bhagirathi, Alaknanda rivers. The source of Ganga River is the Gangotri Glacier. Bhagirathi River rises from Gangotri Glacier and Alaknanda rises from snow-melt peak of Nanda Devi. Several sources of Bhagirathi River start from Gomukh near Gangotri. Gomukh is also the mouth of Glacier Gangotri. Alaknanda River starts near Badrinath and moves southward towards Deoprayag. The Alaknanda and Bhagirathi River meet at Deoprayag in Uttarakhand to form Ganga. This river cuts through southern Himalayas and comes from mountains at Rishikesh. Then river flows into Haridwar plain. In Uttar Pradesh, the main right bank tributary of Ganga is Yamuna River, which flows past Delhi and Agra. Yamuna rises from Yamunotri Glacier in Himalayas. It joins Ganga near Prayagraj. The main left bank tributaries in Uttar Pradesh are Ramganga, Gomti and Ghagra. On the Ganga enter Bihar, where its main tributaries are Gandak, Bhuri Gandak, Ghugri, Kosi, which rise from Nepal Himalayas. The river then skirts the Rajmahal Hill to the south and flows southeast to Farakka at the apex of delta. In West Bengal, the Ganga is joined by Mahananda from north. In Bangladesh, Brahmaputra joins Ganga to form combined stream called Padma. It meets river Meghna. The water then flows into Bay of Bengal through numerous channels, the largest of which is called Meghna Estuary. Sundarban Delta is the world's largest and fastest growing delta. It is a home of Royal Bengal tiger and the Sundari tree, which give the delta its name.